Now let's have a review about yourself and your company. Once you are through with the customers, you also need to find a tool so that you can know yourself personally. Now there are some questions which you need to ask for your inventory of your own personal skills. First is, what are you good at? It means that which product your company is good at, which product your company can cater to. What do you like to do? Like, would you like to go with mobile promotion or would you like to go with the traditional marketing? And how much do you know about media? Like, are you aware of the traditional paper media or right now also digital media? Now, what is your budget in terms of advertising, preparing of the sales strategy? How much you can spend on the management of different tools and products? How much do you know about your mobile phones? Like, what is the configuration of the new phones which are coming in? It may include the new operating system, the increase or decrease in the RAM. Secondly, the size of the mobile phones. And are you aware of the different applications which have been listed into the different play stores of the mobile phones? And have you popped into the settings and really learned what devices can do? Now this means that first of all, when a particular application becomes live, you need to test that application on your own smartphone by becoming an end user. Only those applications are successful right now where the person who is preparing the application has considered the end user to be a child or a children. Secondly, how can your network help fill your own skill gaps? Now, when you say network, it can be like when the application is being prepared, how are you using your promotion strategies? It may be via using a Facebook, it may be by using a Twitter or writing blogs on WordPress and so on. Now, why businesses need a mobile website? There are a few basic reasons. Like, first of all, mobile websites are being required so that you get people engaged about your product and services. Secondly, if people are engaged, it means that it will also increase the revenue. It will also help you to promote your own business. It will help you for enhancing the business efficiency, like you can target more and more number of customers and consumers. It has been observed that a person may not have a laptop or a desktop in his home, but a mobile phone has become mandatory in the current situation. And it also engages users anytime and anywhere. So it's very easy to access. You can share the contents and it also helps to improve the customer loyalty. Mobile friendly websites. Like, there are different types of screens which cater to mobile phones, and the different websites on the mobile screen also appears. Now there are different other features. The first feature is it is very easy to navigate. Secondly, the information written is very clear so that even a person or layman can understand because it is crystal clear. It contains the different link, which we call it as, it may be a hyperlink or it may be a backlink. Suppose if you're doing a promotion of your product using a Facebook, you can share the link onto the mobile websites, and it contains minimum graphics and maximum text. In case of text, it is relevant text related to the product and services. Now we have seen there are two types of websites. One is the website which is WAP enabled, which can be run on a mobile phone also. But there are some websites which are being prepared which cannot open on the mobile screens. So these websites are being called as non-mobile friendly websites. Now, whenever such websites are being opened on a mobile phone, the user faces difficulty. First of all, it requires horizontal scrolling on mobile. Secondly, it may miss the relevant information which is required to be displayed, And third is it becomes frustrating to the users because the website is not opening according to them.